Hey guys, I'm Paul Pluter. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. And today, guys, I got a special video for you. It's an unboxing. Now, guys, I basically cleared out seven wrist watches. I gotta tell you guys, it was painful, it was mean, it was nasty. I sold off my Breguet, I sold off my Breitling, I sold off my Omega Speedmaster Man on the Moon, I sold off the Caliber 11 Koya Monaco, I sold off the Tudor Black Bay, sold off the Tudor Hydronaut, sold off my Pam. I sold these off, and I had to pay a few debts. And I've rolled over the money. Now, I am having another reveal tomorrow. Basically, guys, we'll talk about that tomorrow. But basically, I got solar on the rental house I'm in, and I got the landlord to pay me back, and I got interest-free finance. So instead of paying my loan out, which is interest-free, doesn't cost me anything, I will actually use it to buy another luxury watch. But that's tomorrow's story. Stay tuned. So today, we're doing an unboxing. Okay, now, let's get the gloves out. We're going to get the gloves out because this is an expensive wrist watch. Expensive wrist watch. We're doing an unboxing. And yeah, let's get this baby out. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So here we go. It's an unboxing. It's a Rolex. Rolex fuckers. Okay, so looks very impressive. Okay. Okay, let's open this fucker up. Okie doke. Wowzers. Okay. It's a Rolex. It's a Rolex. Fuckers. Rolex. Okie dokie. Hocus pocus. Let's open her up. Oops, the fucking paperwork fell out. Fuck me dead. Wowzers, fuckers. It's a bluesy. Before we get onto the bluesy, let's have a look what we have here. The paperwork wise. So what have we got? We've got a Your Rolex Oyster booklet. We've got a Rolex Submariner booklet. Yes, sirree. This is always cool to have. Cool as a cucumber. I gotta tell you, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty schmicko. There. I think it looks cool. It looks good. It looks very good. It's got all the stuff, so that's that. Then we've got the booklets. It's got the warranty. This is the most important thing. Wowzers. And actually, this watch here, wrist watch, was purchased from my local AD. This is Langford's Jewelers in Brisbane. Wowzers. Purchased in Brisbane, and it was 16th of the 4th, 2009. Wowzers. Okay, that's very, very cool. So we've got box and papers. Now, I'm not sure whether that's quite the right box for this watch, but hey, it doesn't really matter. The important thing is, da-da-da-da, look, it's got hang tags. Oh my God, this is the one to have. This is the one to have. This is the one to have, guys. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. So, here we go. Rolex! It's a Rolex! It's a Rolex Submariner. A Rolex Submariner. And this one is a little bit special. I'll get my special glasses. I put my special, these are my, because this here has the inner chapter ring. Now, what I'm going to do is, one thing I always do when I get a watch in, is you want to make sure that the actual number on the serial number on the papers matches the watch there, and it says it's V14 da 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 da. Yes, it matches. That's very important, because beautiful, because I've had cases where I've got watches where they've got the wrong papers. It's yeah. don't yeah, it's just how it goes. So that's definitely matching, because it's got this here is actually a V serial number, and it's got in the row heart, the inner chapter ring there, it's got Rolex, and the serial number down the bottom. So this is the V serial number. This is actually quite a special watch, because this is actually the last of the, I'll just take these gloves off. I don't know how you do anything with these stupid gloves on. Man, I'm going to take, so this is the dongle. So this is actually the, how do I put this? That's actually the model. This is the last model before they went ceramic. That's exactly right. But this was also just on the last, the V serial number, which is an 09. Shit.
Can't take my eyes on me. My thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Sorry about that. Now, the thing is this, with the, so this is the, fuck, these are hard things to take off with gloves. So this is a V serial number, and this was the first model, first serial number to have the inner chapter ring on the Submariner, the V's. And this was also the last one before Rolex, they went to the ceramic version. So it's kind of the last of the last, and it's quite an interesting piece itself there. It's Swiss-made dial, Swiss-made down the bottom. So this is a Luminova dial. You've got the gold in the bracelet, this piece here is a no holes case, so it's no holes case. It's also got solid end links, which, because the other Rolexes, you could have the same number and they were a bit rattly. The solid end links, that's what they did on the Sea Dwellers there. So this is a very, very, very special Submariner. I'm going to try it on. I've had to put all the links into it. Fuck, these stupid gloves. I don't know why people want me to wear these gloves. I don't know why. Okay, so we put it on. Does it fit? Yes, it is I don't know. Is that tight or what is that? That's okay. That's an okay fit. So there we go. That is my Rolex Submariner. My Rolex Submariner, my Submariner. It's a 16613. The 3 on the end signifies two-tone. And it's a bluesy. A bluesy. A bluesy. How do I feel? I gotta tell you, this is an amazing moment of achievement for me because I've wanted a bluesy for years. When I originally got my inheritance when my grandfather died, it was a small inheritance, okay? It was about 30 grand, okay? It went in credit cards. I had to pay credit cards off. But I kept a little bit to buy a watch. I was going to buy either a bluesy, a day-date, a Daytona, steel Daytona, or a Patek. And I ended up going for the Patek, of course, because it just came up. But I love the bluesy. And I wanted to get this to celebrate the inheritance because my grandfather, I used to go swimming at his place. He had an old water tank. He'd cut the top off, painted it blue and put rubber around the edging so you don't cut the shit out of your legs. And I wanted to get a bluesy in recognition of my grandfather, Wassel Pristash. Wassel Pristash, great guy. So that's the bluesy. Finally, I have the bluesy on my wrist. Finally have a bluesy on my wrist. And when I was a little kid, let me tell you a story. When I was a little kid, I wouldn't wear any shirts that weren't blue. There you go. As a little tyke, I would only wear bluesy. And I think blue is one of it. This is a nice purpley sort of blue, royal blue. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It's a great condition watch. I don't know if I need an extra link or not. It's a smidgen. If anyone's got any two-tone links for a bluesy, well, for a 16613, let me know. I fucking think I might just, I don't know if I need one or not. I don't know. But I got to tell you, it is an amazing piece. What do I think? It's a Rolex. It's a Rolex bluesy. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon with the bluesy. So very, very happy. What do I think? It's beautiful. A Rolex is a special thing, especially a bluesy. I kind of like the pre-ceramic. That's my own view. I like the pre-ceramic, and this is the last of the last. I think they're not making these anymore, so it's something, I didn't buy it for investment. I bought it to enjoy. So guys, tell me what you think. I've got the bluesy. What do you think? What do you reckon? Tell me what you think. So I sold a lot of stuff. I've got another incoming tomorrow, but I've had to finance the other watch. Okay, we'll talk about that tomorrow in tomorrow's vid. Stay tuned, fuckaroonies. Stay tuned and keep watching the ArchieLuxury channel, the ArchieLuxury Corporate, and the Paul Pluta channel. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends. And don't forget, guys, Rolex! Rolex, please!
Just gonna have a quick shave. Then I'm jumping on a jet after lunch. After lunch.
I'm only signing it because it costs nothing. So this is the congratulations to everybody.